Get yourself a blender because it's the best way to make sure you're getting all of your daily fruit and vegetable servings. They can crush tough ingredients like ice and vegetables, mix together smoothies in the morning or hearty soups at dinner time. But if you're looking to save some cash without sacrificing quality, here's our list of 6 favorite blenders under $100. There are many products available to choose from, best blenders under $100, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best blenders under $100 from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja BL610 Professional. The Ninja BL610 Professional Blender is perfect for crushing ice, whole fruits, and vegetables. With 1000 watts of professional power, it can crush anything you put in it in seconds. The pitcher holds up to 72 ounces, which makes it great for making blended drinks for the entire family, or just making wholesome protein shakes when you're on the go. Cleanup is easy with a dishwasher-safe pitcher that's BPA-free. Total Crushing Technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits and vegetables in seconds. Ice Crushing. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. Recipe Inspiration. The included recipe guide provides drink and dish making inspiration. Easy cleanup. Pitcher. Number 2. Oster Blender. I love Oster's 1200 Pro Blender because it comes with a food processor attachment. This way I can blend and chop my ingredients at the same time, saving precious time in the kitchen. The Oster Pro 1200 Blender is the perfect solution for all of your blending needs. With its powerful 1200 watt motor and stainless steel dual direction blade assembly, this heavy 13.45 pound blender will help you make delicious smoothies in no time at all. It also has an easy to use pulse function so you can chop or grind food quickly and easily. Plus it comes with 2 16-ounce cups so you can blend right into them, no extra dishes to clean. This is truly the best way to get more out of your day while still enjoying healthy meals every day. Dual direction blade technology chops and grinds with precision for an ideal texture. The 6-cup borkless glass jar can be used in the microwave or dishwasher top rack for easy cleanup. It features smart settings technology with pre-programmed settings for the most common blender creations. Smoothie, ice cream, frozen drink wrap. Pros. Versatile uses for most household purposes. Fairly easy to clean. Powerful enough to be versatile. More efficient blades. Cons. Louder than average for a blender. Difficult to find replacements when parts break. Number 3. Crandy Countertop Blender. The Crandy Commercial Countertop Blender is a high-speed blender with a food-grade jar, BPA-free blender jar for 4 to 6 people, allowing you to prepare meals or dessert for your whole family. Heavy-duty commercial blenders with 2-in-1 stainless steel 6-blade configuration for both wet and dry ingredients, handling the toughest ingredients with sealed double bearing for maximized blending. Add a little soap and water, it can clean itself in less than 45 seconds. Built-in overload reset button protecting your blender. If you're the type of person who loves a good blender and wants to start making your own healthy drinks at home, this is an easy purchase. Crandy's classic blender has been designed with versatility in mind, so that it can handle any task thrown its way, be it baby food or beverages for the whole family. Pairing traditional aesthetics with modern conveniences like fast blades and a strong base piston system means that no matter what kind of blending job comes. Number 4. NutriBullet Blender. The NutriBullet ZNBF 30400Z blender is a convenient addition to your kitchen that makes it easy to prepare healthy smoothies and other foods. The 1200 watt motor base has 3 precision speeds and pulse function, so you can make an endless array of delicious recipes with the touch of a button. It comes with a 64-ounce blender pitcher, which features cyclonic action for efficient blending. This blender also includes a tamper tool, recipe book, and vented lid cap. The jar is BPA-free and super durable. The NutriBullet blender blade is made of powerful stainless steel and designed with cyclonic action. Our super durable BPA-free pitcher is made of high-performance plastic. Hassle-free cleaning, simply place pitcher in the dishwasher. Pros. Easy to use. Dishwasher safe. Powerful motor. It fits under the standard kitchen cabinet. Tough blade design. Cons. Does not include any preset blending programs. Sometimes water seeps into the handle, and you have to be careful to avoid buildup or the water just sitting there. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Blender. Have you been looking for a blender that can blend smooth and creamy milkshakes, protein shakes, or sauces? If so, the Hamilton Beach 58148A might be perfect. This sleekly designed product is not only affordable, but also has multiple speeds to make sure your blended concoction comes out just right. Furthermore, its compact size makes it easy to store in any kitchen cabinet. What are some of the best features this blender offers? Firstly, its blades have an innovative design that ensures whatever substance you're blending will come out as close as possible to liquid gold smoothie consistency. Secondly, with all these different speed options available, there's one suited specifically for every drinker, from those who like their shakes thick and icy cold. It is a powerful blender that can handle any task. With 700 watts of peak blending power and 12 blending functions, it's the perfect tool for your kitchen. It also has a unique no-mess pouring spout, so there are never any spills or messes when making drinks. Plus, with a 40 ounces dishwasher-safe glass jar and stainless steel ice saber blades, this blender will last you for years. The Hamilton Beach 58148A is a great choice for blended drinks and food processing. This blender's impressive power output, superior speed options, and durable construction make it the perfect match for typical households, where juicing or blending up some fresh fruit might be just as important to you as. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.